The 5 times table. In this video, we'll go through some quick tips and tricks on how to work out the 5 times table, and I'll use a box full of cubes to help you visualize the 5 times table. So as the name suggests, it means going somewhere 5 times or doing something 5 times and getting a certain number. So if I put in my hand in this box 5 times and get 1 cube each time, I'll end up with 5 cubes in total. I've shown them in different colors for different times. So if I do the same thing 5 times, but I'd get 2 cubes each time, then I'll end up with 10 cubes in total. So 5 times 3 cubes each time, that makes 15. 5 lots of 4 cubes each time, that makes 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. So as you can see, we're going up in 5s each time. So I'm adding 5 here to get 10, and then another 5, 5, and so on. So it is the same amount each time that we're adding. So this helps us, let's say you know how to work out 5 times 5, which is 25. To get 5 times 6, you just add another 5 on the 25 to give us 30, and another 5 to get 35, which is 5 times 7. So one strategy to work the 5 times tables out is to add 5 lots of the number. Say 5 lots of 7 would go 7 and 7 and 7 and 7 and 7, so 5 times. But that is rather long. So looking for a shorter way, maybe we can do 7 and 7 together and 7 and 7 together, which is the same amount. So that's 14 and another 14, and add another 7. So that is 5 lots of 7. So we doubled the 7 to begin with, get 14, double it again to get 28, and add 7 on top to give us 35. So that would be perhaps one of the shortest ways if you don't know the 5 times tables. Also, it's worth remembering that 5 times 2 is the same as 2 times 5. So I can work out whichever I want, either 5 times 2 or 2 times 5, and it's going to give me the same answer. So it's easier to say or to work out 2 lots of 5, which is just 10, rather than going 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. So 5 lots of them. And you can do that with any of the timetables, not just the 5s, but other numbers as well. It works throughout multiplication facts. So I suggest that you write down these multiplication facts on a piece of paper or post-it and go over them, reading them out loud, maybe 3 times or more until you've memorized them in order.